Hello, our group EKG will be presenting the challenge. We are going to talk about the implementation of a power supply for our biomedical project. A stable and reliable power source is essential since it will be provide the necessary energy to the device. The designs include a transformer to step down the mains voltage at the output bridge to rectify the signal, capacitors to reduce ripple, and voltage regulators that deliver both fixed and variable outputs, positive and negative. This ensures proper powering of both the digital and analog sections of the system. Cállese. The pulse oximeter is a biomedical device that measures blood oxygen saturation and heart rate using a non-invasive optical sensor. It works by emitting red and infrared light and detecting the transmitted or reflected intensity through the tissues with a photodiode. Since the signal variations are very small in the millivolt range, it is essential to use a power supply that provides a stable output, low noise, and controlled ripple to avoid interference in signal acquisitions and processing.
The adapter is a device that transforms electrical energy from the mains into direct current DC levels that can be used by electronic circuits. Transformers adapts the input voltage 120 volts AC to a lower voltage 25 volts AC with a center tap to generate approximately 20 volts. Rectification: a diode bridge converts the alternating signal into a unidirectional pulsing signal. Filtering: capacitors smooth the signal, reducing ripple and bridging it closer to pure DC. Voltage voltage regulators integrate regular circuits deliver constant voltage. LM7805, LM7905, LM7812, LM7912, LM317, variable positive output approx 120 volts on 12 volts. LM337, variable negative output approximate. Ceramic capacitors at the output help establish and filter high-frequency noise. Potentiometers adjust the variable outputs with protective resistors to prevent overloads. Dual power supply. A dual power supply delivers symmetrical positive and negative voltage relative to ground, such as more 50 volts and less 50 15 volts. It's essential for analog circuits and operational amplifiers that require signals oscillating around zero. In contrast, for digital systems or microcontrollers, a single power supply with a single positive voltage is usually sufficient. Replay. Replay is the unwavering fluctuation in the DC output of the supply caused by the conversion from AC to DC. Low replay is vital to avoid interference and ensure clean signals, especially in sensitive circuits. Generally, replay less than 1% of the output voltage or less than 10 microvolts for analog application is desired.
The circuit consists of a several stages to achieve the power supply. In the first part is that is a connect transformers. It's the functionality is that decrease the voltage of in the circuit. In the second in the next part is just bridge. It's considered rectifies the freeway signals is that the circuit then several transistors followed that regulate to voltage. Each into transistors is to integrate to regular voltage. And the first part is that both positive and negative voltage and the regulate by means of potentiometers. And that gives desired the voltage. Then you see the assemble circuits that gave each voltage in the simulations. And looking at the that mountain circuits.